Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to group unit controls in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to go to your settings, which is this gear icon right here. Click on it, and under control groups, you need to select a hotkey for each group right here. For example, I've set mine to F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, and F6. Now go back. I'm going to create some illusions for Nagosidal. I'm going to send these two here and these two here. So to group these two, I'm just going to select both of these and then press Ctrl and hold and F1, which is my hotkey for group 1. Same goes with these two. Press and Ctrl and then press F2, which is my hotkey for group 2. Now, if I create illusions again and press F1, only these two, which is my group 1, will be selected. Same goes with group 2, like this. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!